Sunati and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so a lot of you wanted to see my night skincare routine. So I'm here to show you guys what all I do. So I'm very excited to do my skincare routine. This is my travel pouch. I carry all my skincare products in this pouch. It's again from Miniso. I love the material of this pouch and there's so much stuff in this. So first step, I'm going to remove my makeup. I have very less makeup on my face, but still I'm going to remove it before I wash my face. So I'm sorry, I'm very clumsy. So first step, I'm going to remove my makeup, and for that I'm using this Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. This is how it looks like. So alternate product that I can suggest you guys is Garnier Makeup Remover. It's like in water form, but it's good as well. But for now I'm going to use this Clinique Balm because it's very creamy. I'm going to remove all my liner, my kajal, everything. And it removes so well, and I'm just going to take some tissues and I'm going to wipe it off. So I use this face wash. It's from Forest Essentials and it has honey, lemon and rose water. So if you have acne problem or your skin is very sensitive, this really works well. So go for this face wash. And I'm going to quickly wash it now. I've got a mango over here. So I'm currently in Mahabaleshwar and the weather is too cold over here. Okay, so next is I'm going to use this toner. It's from Pixi. This is how it looks like. It's called Glow Tonic. I've recently started using it. As you can see, I haven't used it too much, but then I have really started liking it. And I don't suggest the products which I haven't tried it before, because I have tried all these products. That's the reason I'm suggesting you all to just go for it. And I'm just gonna dab it. Don't take too much and avoid your under eyes, just here and on your head. The Body Shop Vitamin C Glow Protect Lotion. So it's not necessary only if you're going out or only then you can apply sunscreen. It's not like that. Don't forget your sunscreen because it's very important for your skin. So it's like this and just apply it over here. Done. Already feeling so good. Next in my skincare is this serum. So you can use any sort of serum. I have started taking care of my skin, so I follow all the steps. It's from The Beauty Co. It's rose gold oil. So I use it as serum. Just 2 drops. It gives you highlighting effect. Obviously it's rose gold oil, so you can imagine how it will feel on your skin. I use this moisturizer and I'm in love with this brand and this product. It's Laneige Water Bank Hydro Essence. It's so moisturizing. I take 2 pumps of it. I just take this much and I apply it all, and the smell is so good, so good. Then my favorite product, so it's Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. It is really the best and moisturizing lip balm. Like I suggest to people, like I suggest my family members and everyone to try this lip balm because it really is so moisturizing. Look at this. So small container. See, there's so much in it. I think and it's very affordable as well. So they have bigger size in it, but I wanted to try it, so I went for a smaller size. Body lotion. Because I told you the weather over here is so cold, so my skin is so dry right now. So I'm going to use this The Body Shop. It's Japanese Cherry Blossom Body Lotion. I love all the products that smell good, so I love it. How can I forget my favorite body mist? It's from Victoria's Secret. One more body mist that I can suggest to you guys is from The Body Shop. So the fragrance is Japanese Blossom. So it is like light fragrance, good for night time and daytime as well. Because I prefer body mists which are light. I don't like it too strong. So yeah, that's about it. Whoa. Let me remove this. See, I've got a pimple over here. Imperfections are beautiful, so and do take care of your skin because it's very important. I have recently started following skincare routine. I used to just apply a moisturizer and that was about it, but then sunscreen, body lotion is very important, so don't miss the steps. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Do comment and let me know whether you guys liked it or not, or what else you want to see. So comment down so that I'll know what you guys want to see, and I would love to make videos for you all. So yeah.